How's it going, YouTube? Today we're going to be talking about sorting linked lists. Let's get straight to the code. First, we're going to start with our insert method, which is the same code that was used in the previous video. Then for our sorting list method, we're going to be using a bubble sort algorithm. For our first variable, we're going to create a temp node, which will act as a placeholder so we can sort around our nodes in our linked list. For the next variable, we're going to have node current, which points to the head of our linked list. And for our last node, we're going to create a node current next. And before we can sort any of our nodes in our linked list, we need to check if our list is empty. So if head is null, we're going to print list is empty. Else, we're going to create a while loop that makes sure our current node isn't null. Next, the current next variable that we created earlier will point to current node dot next. Next, we're going to create an internal while loop that makes sure our current next isn't null. So while current underscore next is not null, if current node's data is greater than current next's data, we will set our temp node to our current node.
Whoa.
Then set current node's data to current underscore next data. Set current underscore next data to the temp node. Outside of our if, we're going to set current next to current next's dot next. And outside of our second while loop, we're going to set current node to current node dot next. And for our print list method, it'll be the same as the previous video, except first we need to call on our sort linked list method and print out linked lists for our title, and create a while loop that makes sure our head is not null. System out print head.data quotations and set head to head.next. And outside the while loop, just create a new line. Now to test our main method, we need to import a scanner class, then create our singly linked list object. Create our scanner object. A counter for how many nodes you want the user to enter for their linked list, and the actual node that they're entering for their linked list. How many nodes are you adding to your linked list? Num nodes will be equal to your input.next int. Create a new line, and we're going to create a counter that starts at 0. And while our counter is less than the number of nodes that the user entered, we're going to ask the user to enter a node. So enter a node. Node will be set to input.next int. List will call on the insert method. So insert node. And we're going to iterate our counter. Outside of our while loop, create a new line and call on our print list method. Now to run it. How many nodes are you adding to your linked list? 3. Enter a node. 99. 5. 1. What? Slight mistake. If head is null. All right, let's run that again. Let's see. 3. It's like 99. 5. And 1. So that's how you sort linked lists. If you have any questions, comment below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like. All right, I'll see you on the next video.